Best monitors for photo editing. Best monitors for photo editing has surged. Creators and hobbyists alike are seeking screens that deliver exceptional clarity, accurate color reproduction, and durable build quality to ensure their images look exactly as intended, whether online or in print. This guide evaluates each monitor by type, build quality, layout, and overall value, helping you choose a display that supports high-end editing workflows with confidence.
Product number 1. HP 24MH FHD Computer Monitor 1D0J9AA-ABA. The HP 24MH FHD packs a 23.8-inch Full HD display in a slim, modern design, ideal if your desk space is limited but you still want respectable quality. While Full HD resolution is the entry tier for photo editing, it works well if you're editing images for web use rather than large print. HP's stand offers height, tilt, swivel, and pivot adjustments, which helps position the screen exactly for accurate viewing and reduces color shift from suboptimal angles. In terms of color accuracy and gamut, you'll want to check the factory calibration and sRGB or Adobe RGB coverage. For basic photo editing workflows, this monitor gives good value, but serious print-based work or large resolutions will benefit from higher specs, such as WQHD or 4K. If you're just stepping into photo editing and want a durable, well-built choice with good ergonomics, this model fits nicely, the budget-friendly end of the scale.
Product number 2. Scepter new 27-inch gaming monitor, E275W-FW100T. Although branded as a gaming monitor, the Scepter 27-inch E275W-FW100T offers an appealing 27-inch screen size that gives more workspace for your editing tools, palettes, and image previews. A larger format means you can more comfortably view full-resolution images with room for toolbars and menus, something many photographers value. As one expert notes, for most photographers, 24 inches and 27 inches will work for standard editing needs. Matthias Haltenhoff Photography. However, because this model is gaming-oriented, you should check the panel type, color gamut coverage, and calibration accuracy. Gaming monitors often prioritize refresh rate and responsiveness over color fidelity. If the panel is an IPS type, which is preferred for editing because of wider viewing angles and more accurate color, then this Scepter unit could be a strong value. If not, you may face trade-offs in subtle color shifts when printing or sharing with others.
Product number 3. Dell S2725HS 27-inch monitor FHD. The Dell S2725HS gives you a 27-inch Full HD monitor in a sophisticated package, plenty of screen real estate for editing workflows, while staying in a resolution bracket that many systems handle easily. For photo editing, the key advantages here are size, ergonomics, connectivity, and brand reliability. Dell monitors tend to have solid build quality and good support. From a technical perspective, while Full HD at 27 inches is somewhat modest, you'll see less pixel density than 4K or WQHD. Many photographers may find it acceptable if their main output is digital, web, or Instagram, rather than large format print. As noted in buying guides, resolution and panel type are fundamental. A monitor with a resolution of at least 1440p, 2K, preferably 4K, is recommended for best photo editing results. If your budget or workflow makes this monitor a match, it offers excellent value and trusted ergonomics from Dell.
Product number 4. LG 27 US500-W Ultra-Fine 27-inch 4K UHD. The LG 27 US500-W steps up the game considerably by offering a 27-inch 4K UHD 3840 by 2160 resolution. For photo editors, this means far greater detail, clarity, and workspace, ideal for complex edits, high-resolution image retouching, and accommodating tool palettes around your work image. Many guides assert that higher-resolution monitors deliver more detail and more realistic images. On such a screen, you'll appreciate crispness,
especially if you're working in Lightroom, Photoshop, or doing print workflow work. Also check for panel type, IPS preferred, color gamut, ideally near 100% sRGB or wide Adobe RGB if printing, and whether factory calibration is provided. If LG ensures good color fidelity on adjustments, this monitor becomes a strong choice for serious photo editing without going into ultra-premium territory.
Product number 5. Asus ProArt Display PA278QV 27-inch WQHD 2560 by 1440 monitor. The Asus ProArt Display PA278QV is arguably the strongest pick of the 5 for photo editing workflows. With a 27-inch WQHD resolution, 2560 by 1440, it hits the sweet spot of size and clarity, higher than FHD, but less demanding than full 4K. Many photographers recommend this tier for the 27-inch size. Moreover, the ProArt branding suggests a focus on color accuracy, calibration, and creative workflow features. If you're printing images, working with clients, or need dependable color reproduction, a monitor like this, designed with photo and video editing in mind, is well worth the investment. The build quality, port selection, stand ergonomics, and calibration out of the box tend to be higher than generic monitors. For a budget to mid-professional choice, the PA278QV meets many of the what-to-look-for criteria: IPS panel, wide gamut support, calibration options, and a resolution that gives you extra workspace without compromising performance.